Hey Specs! Welcome back. Today, I'll be telling you about how they're taking over my job. Don't worry, I won't be ranting like this guy.
They took our jobs!
In my case, I'm very excited to be handing over this job and see how well it gets done. That's right, move aside humble spec, the Mammotion Luba 2 AWD 1000H robot lawnmower is rolling in, ready to snatch my job and probably do it better. No more sunburns, sweaty t-shirts, or losing at least 4 hours per week butchering 1/3 of the grass in one mow. The future is here, and it looks suspiciously well manicured. Spoiler alert, there's a shocking amount of styrofoam and plastic wrap, along with a dash of cardboard, and the faint scent of new robot. I know, it arrives on your doorstep, looking like a majestic, yet slightly awkward box, like a mini fridge or perhaps the world's most high-tech cooler. The neighbors eye it suspiciously, wondering, what in the world have you bought now? The box was sealed tighter than a loonie in a vending machine, but nothing your trusty box cutter, or, if you're feeling adventurous and Canadian, your house key, can't manage. Time to gather all the easy-to-assemble pieces in one workspace. As I'm about to lift the lid, it's a bit surreal. If this robot had arms, I'm sure it would shake my hand and say, "Don't worry bro, I've got this, eh?" But instead, it sits there, looking at me with the cold confidence of someone who already knows all the HOA codes and never forgets to oil the blades. All-terrain wheels, GPS navigation, and the ability to mow even the trickiest corners, this bot has more features than my bike and, frankly, better job security. Let's face it, I've always dreamed of delegation, but I never thought my replacement would be named Luba and look this futuristic. For years, my lawn has been my weekend nemesis, a green beast demanding regular sacrifices of my time, energy, dignity, and mental well-being. I always wanted to cut off shorter chunks more often to condition a thicker turf, but I couldn't keep up. Now, with the Luba 2 on my side, or, let's be honest, in command, I can finally retire from the noble profession of grass wrangling and pursue other items on my ever-growing to-do list, and other important Canadian pastimes, like eagerly waiting for winter to come, or hunting for loony and toonie treasures. You kinda expect it to roll out and trim the carpet while you're still reading the quick start guide. Don't worry, it waits for instructions and won't do a number 1 on your trees or vegetable garden like your lawn care guy. Which is why you should show some respect to it and read the guide before you try to assemble. Last thing you want is a defective worker. And before you dive headfirst, just check to ensure you have all the parts: vision module, basically the eyes, screws, bumper, blades, charging and RTK stations, cables, security key, screwdrivers, and so on. Let's dive in and put this jigsaw puzzle together. It's interesting, here I am thinking I'm getting rid of one job, but now I feel like the robot is putting me to work. But you know how it goes. Invest your time wisely now, so your future self will be grateful you did the heavy lifting. While I'm putting this beast together, let me give you the quick rundown about its abilities. As you expect, the AWD in the name means all-wheel drive, and with its innovative wheels, the Luba 2 can navigate steep slopes and rugged terrain. Utilizing GPS and RTK technology, it maps and mows lawns without boundary wires, so no need to dig up your lawn every time the wire breaks. Just be sure to secure the RTK antenna where it can get a nice clear view of the sky, away from any major obstacle that can interfere with satellite signals. It covers up to 1/4 acre, which is roughly 1,000 square meters, and the higher models can manage up to 2.5 acres. With multi-zone management from the smartphone app, you can define and customize multiple mowing zones, schedules, and mowing heights for different sections of the lawn. The many sensors, vision module, and integrated AI enable obstacle detection and avoidance for safe operation. Don't worry, it won't try to mow humans yet. Just want to take our jobs for now. Its capabilities also include rain detection, automatic charging, security features, quiet operation, and even remote control. And it can even put up a fight against our cozy Canadian winters, but it prefers to be brought inside so it can snuggle. By the way, it already refuses to move snow. I can foresee that it might soon protest to be included in labor laws. The H version can cut between 2.2 to 4 inches, which is 55 to 100 millimeters. If you need lower cuts, then the standard version should be your pick. So, as I finish assembling the Mammotion Luba 2 AWD 1000H, let's raise a glass of ice-cold maple water to the robots who are taking our jobs, at least the ones we'd happily trade for a comfy seat on the porch. Don't worry, I'll still be here for the hard-hitting questions. Will it respect the sanctity of my garden gnome collection? Does it leave every so often to grab a Tim's? Only time will tell. Stay tuned as I attempt to teach my new robotic overlord the difference between my lawn and the neighbors. But for now, let's just enjoy the fact that my weekends just got about 100 times more relaxing. Maybe not really. Go, Luba 2. Go, make my lawn great again, one automated pass at a time. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel to show your love and support.